One. We are live now. Okay, welcome back to the presentation for group number 7. Okay, so today we have all the team members. Okay, right. So who's the team leaders?
Syafika.
Syafika. Okay.
Tak dengar
Voice tak
suara.
berapa dengar. Can't hear your voice very clearly. Okay, maybe you can either high up your volume or speak a bit more louder.
Can you hear me now?
Barely.
Slow Syafika. Cepat.
Sekarang dengar tak?
Dengar sikit. Cuba cakap. Try to say something.
Hello?
Hello. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Dengar? Okay, so should we start now?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, Assalamualaikum to Dr. Antain Nadersih. So we are from group 7 and today we would like to demo our project. So for the start, I would like to share our initial template. Let me share the screen. Can you see my screen?
Okay.
Okay, this is the initial template that we chose for our project. It has 4 menu, home, about, this one, products, and also the last menu is store. Okay, so next I would like to pass to the first presenter. Can I?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. I guess Anis is the first presenter.
Anis.
Or she cannot start now. Can we move to Helmi because he start with the product menu.
Okay.
Okay.
Helmi start first lah.
Alright, okay.
Hello. Dengar.
Alright. Boleh.
Okay, dengar.
Share screen.
Boleh.
Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Yes.
Actually, this is what I do. So, admin can update and delete the product, then insert the product. So, try to insert the product. Try to HT. Product name called hotkey. Status we can available or sold out. I save. Degree is successfully to insert. So the product is insert here in the table. Then we can delete the product. Product is successfully deleted. Then we can update. I'm not sure for the update because I can update the any over here. I can update. Try to sort out. It mentioned product successfully update, but the product is not update. I'm not really sure what
It's
happened.
not deleting or not updating.
Enggak update.
Not update. So
Database,
I use my project database.
yes, but is it updating or updating through the database? So you can check in the database.
the database. For the database, I try to create another database, but I can change it to my initial database. I'm not sure why. So I just use my project database.
Okay, all right. Delete, does it work? Delete?
Delete is what?
Delete is working.
Delete.
Try delete. Try delete the last one.
Try delete.
So if delete is working, okay.
Yeah.
Delete is working, so your update is problem. So there's your CRUD, there is something wrong. So there's nothing wrong with the
No, only
database.
for update lah.
If it delete can work, that means your update also should work. So if there is an error, it does not delete, means there are some error in your SQL statement.
SQL statement.
Yeah. Okay, so you need to check that back again. Okay, right. So means less mark for this.
Good. Good.
Okay, right. Anything else?
But insert delete
Insert delete is
view,
okay.
view okay.
Mm-mm.
Just update lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let me share the channel again. Okay, right.
Can I stop sharing?
Okay, right. You're done? Finished?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, right. Who's next?
That would be me because it seems like Shafika her laptop has problems and need to restart.
Okay, right. Okay, you can without time wasting. So I think you can continue, Shafiq.
Okay. Screen my screen, right?
Okay.
Okay, I'm doing on the product page, the store page. It shows the schedule, and I added the reservation, online reservation. Okay, from here, the users can type their name, email, phone number, choose date, choose date and the expected arrival time, and any special requests, and submit to make the online reservation. And it's done, it says the reservation is saved. But the rest of the function, update and delete, I didn't manage to make it because there's problem before and didn't manage to proceed.
Is the data safe inside?
It's saved to the database. You
I can see. Can see now?
Huh?
Can see? Refresh. Just to refresh. No. Yeah, from navigate just now. From navigate just now.
Navigate.
Navigate. Just refresh.
Database.
Yes.
The record.
This one.
Okay, data insert is okay. So the other stuff is not working. So you have to have this fix. You got to have that fix too.
Yes.
Same thing. So means also update networking.
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Sadly.
Okay, tak apa. So you boleh buat nanti yang tu. Sebab kawan-kawan yang lain semua jadi update. So nanti boleh tengok Boleh tanya yang grup-grup lain.
Okay. Doktor, nanti kalau report nanti kan? Ada report kan?
Kita tak ada.
Tak ada report
kita tak ada report ni lah report kita.
Jadi bila
Report
kita ni video ni.
Saya hantar video je.
Oh. Saya ingatkan ada report.
Kalau
Ada.
you hantar report, kalau you punya presentation setakat tu, you dapat setakat tu je lah.
Okay.
Okay, nak makan lebih, buat lagi lah.
Kita tak ada report sebab kita nak simplifykan you punya word. Kita boleh minta report, tapi ini pun dah cukup dah nak tengok you.
You nak report?
Tak
Buat report?
Tak apa. Tak apa. Cakap ni kot saya punya yang lagi 2 orang lagi.
Reservation
Saya
Tak sampai
reservation.
5 minit. Tak sampai 5 minit punya presentation ni. Makan pun tak sampai 5 minit jugalah makan ni.
Alamak.
Tak apa. Boleh tambah makan.
Boleh tambah.
Boleh tambah
Tambahlah
makan.
10-15 minit lagi nanti.
Nanti tambah lagi.
Mana tu?
Tambahlah.
Kita nanti ada demo. So kalau you
itulah
open your group, let's say your group you want to redemo, so kita proceed redemo. So mana yang tak cukup tu you improve lah. Kita bagi masa you buat.
Mana yang tak cukup sifat tu, tambahlah lagi sifatnya.
Sifat-sifat tu.
Okay. Kita buat request ni.
Tak payah request, kita dah bagi
Memang
dah.
dah bagi dah. You nak ke tak nak?
Okay.
Alright. So next.
Next. Okay. Mana Syafiqah?
Dia masih reconnecting dengan Anis, dia line dia tak berapa ni.
Tak apa okey.
Diorang internet tak berapa. Jadi tak dapat masuk.
Kalau tak okey, then tak apalah. Nanti kita present balik lah.
Tapi suppose you rasa berapa persen yang you punya group ni?
Berapa persen?
Your word.
Berapa persen you rasa you punya kerja yang you dah buat ni, berapa persen you anggap you dah siap? Kalau saya bagi markah kan, tengok you cakap lah berapa you rasa you dah siap.
Macam sikit.
Itulah. You rasa berapa persen saya nak bagi ni?
Sebab Anis dengan Syafiqah ada masalah lain dah. Macam mana dia punya ni? Dia punya word dia tu sama je kan? Kalau you masalah sama, so kita proceed je untuk yang redemo nanti.
Proceed redemo je lah. Okay. Tapi kalau apa yang saya tengok ni tak sampai 15% pun.
Sebab user semua tak boleh tunjuk kan?
User tak tunjuk.
User
searching tak tunjuk. Login tak tunjuk.
Jadi
template
kita
pun
buat
tak
redemo.
CSS tak tunjuk lagi. Jadi banyak benda juga lah.
Ya, login tu Halim tu dia kan tak dapat datang.
Halim. Halim yang login.
Halim dia buat login.
Tapi sebenarnya login kan kita dah buat masa kelas. Masa kelas kita dah buat login, kita dah buat insert, kita dah buat
yang tu last sekali sepatutnya.
Sepatutnya semua dah ada, patutnya.
Yang tu sepatutnya tak perlu bagi kepada grup. Sebenarnya yang kena fokus masing-masing kena ambil page dulu, siapkan page masing-masing. Siapkan page masing-masing baru masing-masing tengok siapa boleh contribute untuk buat yang minor tu.
Tapi tak apalah, kita present je lah balik nanti.
Saya rasa buat present balik je lah nanti. Grup ni.
Tarikh represent tu
nanti saya akan bagi tahu balik bila you ready. So saya bagi sampai 20.
Lepas exam.
Lepas exam lah, sebab bagi awak exam, kalau awak ada exam sebab awak start exam kan, so
minggu depan.
Dalam 20 hari bulan lah kot. Paling lewat lah tu. Paling lewat sebab dah tak sempat nak masuk makan tu.
Okay.
Itu paling lewat. So, mana saya fikir? Ada bunyi tu?
Hello.
Anis.
Ya, saya. Okey lah. Saya cuba buat secepat yang mungkin.
Okay.
Tak apa kok Anis, sebabnya
Oh.
kita dah proceed untuk demo sebabnya Syafiq dah bagi tahu ada yang tak cukup kan.
Yeah.
Jadi kita proceed di demo je.
Okay.
So sebab you dah tengok yang the previous punya group macam mana, so apa yang dia orang dah buat, jadi you cuba ni lah compile yang you punya seminima yang boleh lah.
Okay.
Okay.
Seminima yang boleh, semaksimum yang boleh. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, alright. So terima kasih.
Sebabnya dia rasa banyak tak cukup kan.
Tak cukup sifat lagi.
Dengan member pun tak ada masuk.
Okay, Halim pun tak ada ni.
Halim tak ada.
Tak apa.
Okay, tak apa.
Okay.
So kita proceed dengan grup nombor 8 lah kok. So nanti siapa grup ketua ni nanti Syafiqah kok. Nanti Roger balik lah nanti. Untuk reset balik.
Okay. Terima kasih Doktor.
Okay,
alright.
Lain Anis tak berapa ni ya. Sekat-sekat.
Ya. Tersekat. Okay lah. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So yang ni kita di demo. Next group nombor 8.
Last group. Okay, so group 8 ni dah keluar daripada. Okay guys, welcome back from the breakout room. Okay, we will start in a short while, waiting everybody to be in. Okay, so you guys are ready? Prasan, Lokesh, you okay? Only two of you?
Aswi?
Where's the others? Only both of you?
Ashwin was here in the breakout room.
Okay, but
breakout room.
breakout has kicked him out. Okay, I think they are still inside.
He's back in here.
Okay, have it. Okay, Ashwin and Hussein. Sharma Hussein. Okay, right. Okay, right. Right. So I pass to your team leader. Okay, we are already live on the Facebook. Okay, and you can start now. Okay, right. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm the group leader for this project. My name is Ashwin, and I'll present about what we did. Okay, I'll share the screen.
Sama lah background kita.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
So we didn't do sign up because we didn't manage to do it. So we just proceeded with the login system. So our login has 3 levels. The first level is for admin at level 1, and level 2 is for staffs, and then level 3 is for customers. So we can so there's some data here, the levels that states they are what role they play in this thing. So now I'll log in as, if you input wrong password, it will say that login failed. Go back. So now I'll input as admin, and the landing page will show like this. It'll say welcome and then my name. Then they say that logged in with access level 1 admin. So you can either go back to the login page if you click this, or you can click this to enter the site. So this is the main page for the admin. Okay. So, should I talk about the template?
Yeah, you should have.
Okay, sorry.
So
the template we chose was this coming soon master template, but this one had very little I really like the template. So something like this,
Mm-hmm.
and most of it like similar.
Mm-hmm. So it's up
So
your creativity to make the changes. Huh?
yes, so we chose this one to do the main page.
Mm-hmm.
So we also use some components, these like the notify the button, to use the logo, some all these buttons.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but there's no like grid menu in this template, so couldn't actually use. We couldn't do the menus and stuff, so we just did all our process here.
Suppose the menu is
Supposed to be on top, right?
on top, right? But you cannot manage to do it, so you
because
put
like
in the middle.
tweet and all these things supposed to be there, but you removed it.
But the template, there's no. I mean, there's only the social media.
Social media.
You can add yourself. This is just an example. You can add other stuff you want. You can add in user profile. You can add in if it's about restaurant, you can make an order. If you want to, you can see menu. So many things you can do. Correct or not?
Now, I think Lokesh will talk about the admin first.
Okay. Okay.
Lokesh, we cannot hear you.
Lokesh, talk something? Can't hear.
I think your input device.
Now?
Okay.
Yeah, can.
Okay. I think some problem with the. Okay. All right. So you all can see the screen, right? All right. So this is like Ashwin said, this is the admin page. So my part was about the users. So these are like the staff. So as an admin, you can see who your staff and who your customers are. So my part was mainly related to all of this. So as you can see here, there's an option to add new users. So I'll just go through this real quick. So once you click here, it gives you like a box to add a new user. So let's just say the username is going to be, I'm just going to put my name. Maybe I put a number. This is going to be my username. And my password is going to be 123. Okay, so I can, as an admin, I can add a new user. Either they are becoming an admin, customer, or a staff. So customer and staff, since they have additional information, it'll pop up the moment you choose customer or staff. If you choose an admin, the admin won't have anything. So let's just say I'm adding a new staff. So the staff name is going to be Lokesh. Staff ID, let's just say I'm using my metrics ID. Okay, so once I'm filled up everything, I can just submit. And it'll show here that insert successful. And then it'll bring me back to the main page once I fill up everything. So if I want to see it again, I added my name, my ID, my username and password. I can also update or delete this. So let's just say I'm going to update my profile name. So maybe change the number. Then so I can update. It shows they're updated staff since I updated the staff. And then if I want to also delete it off, so wait, so I can also delete it off. So it shows user deleted. And yeah, it's so the same thing applies to customers and also admins. Actually, yeah, that's all about the adding, updating, and deleting for the admin side of the user function. So now I'll pass it back to Ashwin. Ashwin or Prasan? I think Prasan, yeah. Prasan will present.
Ashwin.
Oh, sorry, Ashwin. Okay.
Okay, so now I will talk about what I did my module. So I was in charge of the reservations. So I will now log in as the customer first. Then it show me this, and then I try and decide there's options for me. So I'll do the reservation. So when I click this, it automatically shows my customer ID, my full name, and also my IC, because it's already in the database. It's pre-inputted, so I don't have to write it again. So then I only have to choose the date. Then I need to choose the time. Then I just click apply, and you'd say that application is submitted. So I can go back to the main page. So if I want to check my reservation status, I can go here and I can see this. So this is the recent one that I put. Now it will show that it is pending because the admin hasn't, or the staff hasn't approved the request yet. So now for the staff side, now login as a staff and do the read and update. For staff, it's so now when staff logs in, shows like this, goes here. So staff can view their customers' applications, and it will show like this. So the recent one that I did is this one, the 15th of July. So staff can they can delete reservations or they can reject or approve. They can delete because sometimes if the customers wrongly input the reservation, they can send the message to the admin, to the staff that they wrongly put the reservation, so staffs can delete the reservation, or they can approve or reject the reservation. So now I'll click approve. So it will say that the application is approved. So when I click again, then it says that it's already approved here. So if I refresh this, okay. So if I log in back as the customer to check my status, you can see that it will be changed. So can reservation status. So as you can see here, the 15th of July you can see it's approved. So that's my part, the CURD that I did for this project. Now I'll pass to Prasant for his part.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Right. So the part that I did was hold on. Was the contact form. So we have a function of contact form in the website which enables the customer to maybe contact the staff of the website regarding a lot of things. So hold on, let me, from a user's perspective, the user is able to, let me show the users thing. Users 3. Sorry. So now this is I've already entered as the user or the end user. So I'm gonna click on the contact form, and this is the contact form. So the user is able to give their details to the staff of the website, and they are able to contact them directly. So maybe I can just put some details here, and then maybe I to reservations, and I can just send it. And from a staff's perspective, I can check different statuses from them. So let me log in as the staff. All right. So if you look here, the contact form I just made is here, and I can delete it, or I can from the contact form I can just work from it from the staff's perspective. So from the end user's perspective, there is create and edit, and from the staff's perspective, there is delete. And I believe also the admin is able to view the contact forms. So that's all from my side, from what I did.
Okay, next. Lokesh and Shama Hussein.
Lokesh just presented actually.
Oh, okay, sorry. Lokesh, yeah.
Shama Hussein. Lokesh, Rasad, Ashwi,
Yes.
Amiru not yet, not here.
Okay, Shama Hussein.
Shamar.
Okay, Shama Hussein. Okay, go ahead. Sharma, are you there?
I don't think so.
Okay, if you don't present, then you don't get marks, huh? Okay, I think Amirul also, I think, is a part of your team, right?
Yes.
So how is Amirul? How is he working with you guys in a team?
Actually, the one we presented, only we three were working on it.
Oh, okay, yeah, this is fine. So I mean, like, are they contributing anything?
No,
There
no,
was,
no.
Yep.
There wasn't anything actually.
All right, okay. So I think they will be on their own. If they don't present, then there's nothing to give marks on, okay? But that would be on the settings that you have done, okay? So before we go and summarize this, I just want to check. Sharma, are you there or not? Sharma? Okay, I'm not sure whether he's there or not.
There was one meeting we had, and then we separated the works, but that was the final we heard from them, and only one of them was
But
the
yeah,
meeting.
Shamak didn't even come to that meeting, so we couldn't actually decide.
Okay.
So
All right.
We were supposed to have a lot more, like some menus where people could choose food and stuff, so none of it worked out.
Okay, all right, no harm done. I think so they are on their own. So if they do not have anything, then we cannot make any marks for them. So I think this video recording also will contribute to your marks, the marks to them as well. Okay, so I think, right, so let's summarize based on what you guys have done. So based on the criteria of the overall applications that you have to do, even though it's like 3% or 1% or everything, so the basic stuff that you need to have inside the inside an application should be using the template that you use. But so far, some of the template you omitted it, so you're not using the template. So you basically modify the template so that it fits to your environment. But the thing is, if I am the user and I wanting to use this template, then that template does not exist anymore, means that template is no longer valid, right? Correct. Okay, that's one. That is one of the problems that you have. And on top of that also, based on what we have learned about insert, update, delete for the user. Okay, I think Loki just now, I think Loki has shown about user, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he has shown us about how to use the user input output. But I think few things you do not have. You do not have search. You do not have sorting. Right? Do you?
No, yeah. Those were missing.
That's one for that one for bonus actually, right?
Yeah, they don't
I
have
don't
that
know
as
about
well.
bonus.
Okay, and then the usage of CSS is not fully used, not fully utilized. So you only perform completely only on the
Good.
CRUD, and I think some of you had some CRUD problem, right? I think did I think who is it having some problem? I think this group on the other group. I confused
the
already.
previous group, I
Okay.
think.
Yeah, I confused already. So too many presentation. I think I got blurred already. Okay. But so far you guys, I think so far okay. All right. I think you managed to get maybe around 60-70% maybe, right? So but of course, if you want to improve, you still have time to improve if you want to. Okay, so if you want to improve, go ahead, let us know. If you're happy with this, then okay, you will get those marks. That's what
I think I'm so sorry for interrupting. I think we can improve, but maybe if we can get a better template, we can improve like a ton, a lot more.
Of course, but the thing is, it's up to you. It's your idea, and you chose the template yourself. Okay, I did not choose for you, so you guys choose. So if you think that it was not good, that you could actually change it.
So we actually chose another template initially. So Prasan said he wrote it in the Excel. A few days later when we were checking,
he didn't save.
He didn't save it in the Excel.
Well, that is not. Well, that's not an excuse. But if you think, but the thing is, if you already chosen and you change something else, you can still inform us, and it's not safe, and you have changed another one. But why you still proceed with this if you think this is not good?
I mean, because we wanted to make sure we follow the instruction to choose a template initially. Yeah, so
we are not that kind of person. We listen to you, right?
Yeah.
Whatever you say, we will follow you. So you think that that person, that particular template is not good, we will always agree with you. We'll never say no, you cannot.
Yeah, in a way, it's our fault. So we thought it was in the Excel. So when Madam Anita told us to told certain groups to fill up their form, we went to double check, and it wasn't there. So
well, you can
it was
still
our
change
fault
it,
in a way,
but you still can change it. You can inform us that you have chosen this and you have started, but you still continue using this template. Then it's not our fault.
Yeah. It's not an excuse, sir. But,
Well, it's still up to you. You decide. So I can't say much. So, well, in fact, if you're creative enough, you can actually use the same template to do something, a lot more things.
But you need to do a lot lah.
You can figure out something. You can do whatever you want, make it much more nicer. Okay. In fact, you can use the same template. You can copy from another template. Just ding dong, plus together, you can get something already.
Yeah.
Well, but even 3 or 2 or 1%, I think doesn't really matter. But it's how you plan these things accordingly.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I think that's about it, I guess. So okay, you know your marks. So the decision is yours lah.
All right, sir.
What do you guys think? You guys wanna improve and then
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
So to get extra marks, you say need to add search and then
sorting.
You need to have a menu. You need to have a proper CSS configuration. You need to use a proper bootstrap that you need to use. You need to have a flow. Okay, you need to. You just say that user want to see their profile. I think that one also don't have user profile. The one that we have learned, that is also not there. And how they update the user profile for individual staff, for individual person, whether they are staff or admin or user. So I think it's not there. It's a lot of things which is not clear. Okay. So I think I only noticed that when you log in, it can go to level 1 or level 2 or level 3, but it doesn't really helps whether they are whichever level. But I think you still get the same menu or it's slightly different or slightly different. Okay, so they cannot update their profile, they cannot update their pictures, they cannot update all these. It's still missing. Okay, but most of the things I already teach you guys in the class. You should have just copied that and Just bring it inside the application, then just modify this and make it work, right? So put in a menu so that it links to this, link to that. Use the bootstrap, use the CSS, use the JavaScript, whatever, and combine everything, then make one application. Okay, right? So that is the one thing that you guys are missing. Okay, right.
Okay. So try to think about that. Perhaps so maybe you have time if you want to improve.
Sometimes you have to think out of the box to do something, but I think you only think inside the box, not outside the box.
Cannot think outside. Just think inside the box currently. Okay, because we're already packed with exam week.
Yeah.
But definitely I will not buy. Definitely I will not buy your website lah.
I think in a way because it's something new, so it was a bit how to say, hard for us to think outside of the box for now. So we still not fully used to this. So I think as it progresses, we can try.
Yeah, well, it's okay. I think that's the purpose of this particular assignment. Is to open up your mind on how to open up the. Okay, I think Amirul is in. Amirul, can you hear us? Okay, we are almost finishing. Okay, we are almost finishing already. Okay, if you want to share anything, go ahead. Okay, if not, you can come back with us on the demo. On the second demo.
For the demo lah.
Yeah.
For those who do not, for those who still do not demo.
Okay, each of you has your own module, then you have to create that. Okay, and your marks will be given based on the individual that present during the presentation. Okay, all right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, all right. So I think last call, Amirul, you still there? You can hear us?
Shama
Hussein, are you there?
You want to share something?
Yeah.
So the initial maybe you have a half of your word, your part, so you can share here.
All right. So if you don't say anything, then we cannot help you much. Okay, so you got 30 seconds to respond. Okay, both of you. Okay, 15 seconds. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, all right. So I think thank you so much, group number 8. Okay, so it has been a very interesting presentation for this whole day, today and also yesterday. Okay, hopefully you guys have enjoyed the presentation. So was it fun?
Yeah, it was something new. So we can say it's fun, even though it's stressful.
Not new, Lakesh, because you already with me last semester.
No, but PHP, only PHP new.
Yeah.
Only PHP part lah.
Looking at some of the other teams was really demoralizing.
True, yeah.
Which part was demoralizing actually?
The Chinese team. Which one was it? The team before us, is it? Or the team before that?
The group 5.
Blue color. It looks so good.
Yeah.
Green color.
Looks very professional, right? Looks very
Yeah.
professional. Yeah. So that's actually we want you guys to have the similar. But of course, each of you might have a different capabilities and different timing, different understanding. No, I'm not blaming you on that. Okay, we will not discourage you, but of course, you can learn from whatever that you actually see. So when you are developing something, you have to learn. So you have to learn from somebody and make it better. That is how you build up yourself. Even myself, when I started learning on this, I did not actually as good as what I am now, but I learned. Okay, but the same thing also for you guys. So you guys needs to improve and learn from your mistakes. But if you don't learn from mistakes and you continue doing the same mistakes, then you will never improve. Right. So I think thank you so much for your time. Okay, so
Thank you, sir.
right. Okay, all right. So thank you then. Okay, see you guys when on the second presentation.
Redemo. Second redemo. Okay. So hopefully you do well lah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Goodbye.
Bye.